Hey everyone! So it's blazing hot outside, and what better way to embrace the summer than with some delicious, refreshing mango smoothies? I'm here to share 5 incredible recipes that'll help you cool down and enjoy the season to its fullest. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the classic mango smoothie. For this, you'll need 1 ripe mango, peeled and chopped, a cup of low-fat yogurt, and a splash of honey for that sweet touch. Just blend these together until smooth, and voila! A perfect creamy treat to start your day. Next, let's add a bit of zest with the mango citrus twist. You'll take the usual mango chunks, combine them with some fresh orange juice, a bit of lime zest, and a few ice cubes. Blend it all up, and you've got yourself a tangy smoothie that's just bursting with flavors. For those of you who like a bit of a kick, the spicy mango tango is your go-to. Mix mango pieces with a small piece of ginger, a dash of cayenne pepper, and some coconut milk. This smoothie isn't just refreshing, it's got a kick that'll wake up all your senses. Feeling a little tropical? The Tropical Mango Bliss is a mini vacation in a glass. Combine mango with pineapple chunks, coconut water, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. It's like a beach holiday without ever leaving your kitchen. Lastly, for our health enthusiasts, the Green Mango Detox is perfect. Blend your mango chunks with spinach, a cucumber, and some green apple. Add a little lemon juice, and you've got a green powerhouse that's both nutritious and hydrating. There you have it, 5 delicious mango smoothie recipes to keep you cool and satisfied this summer. Whether you're lounging by the pool or just chilling at home, these smoothies are just the ticket to a refreshing day. Go ahead, try them out, and let me know which one is your favorite. Stay cool and enjoy the summer vibes, everyone.